Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer custom objects in Salesforce to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Object Manager by selecting the gear icon. Locate the custom object you wish to transfer. Click on the custom object to open its settings. Export your custom object data from Salesforce. To export, select the Reports tab in Salesforce. Create a new report that includes the custom object fields. Save and run the report to view your data. Click on the Export button to download the report as a CSV file. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Settings section by clicking on the gear icon. Select Objects from the left sidebar, then click on Import. Choose the option to import from a file and then select CSV. Upload the CSV file you downloaded from Salesforce. Map the fields from your CSV to the corresponding HubSpot properties. Ensure that each field aligns correctly to avoid data misplacement. Review your import settings to confirm they are correct. Proceed with the import process by clicking the Import button. Once imported, check HubSpot to ensure your custom objects are correctly displayed. Take time to verify that all data has been transferred accurately. Address any discrepancies by referring back to your Salesforce data. Document the process for future reference and improvements. Your custom objects should now be successfully transferred from Salesforce to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.